Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting session with us. Today I am going to tell you the importance of activities in child development. Activities are very important for a child to develop the confidence, communication tremendously. Generally we don't have so much of content to give to kids each and every single day. So activities is one very possible way where we can give them so much content and communicate about. For example, today we have created this underwater zoo with marine animals all around us. You also can do something like this at home, and the kids will be really very happy to help you out in making all these cutouts, pastings, and to make this setup. Kids become very confident by doing these kind of activities because they will actually visualize and experience what it is all around them. They will be very much happy to do activities along with family members. Activities is one single way where they build a good bonding between the family because they feel that their emotions are valued and you are doing so much for them just for their happiness. They feel very happy. Kids become more and more creative by doing these kind of activities because this will help trigger their brain. See, now you are showing them all these marine animals. When you go out somewhere, maybe to a mall or maybe to some other place, so they will relate this quickly, the activity what you have done at home, saying different varieties of marine animals and all, because you are giving them a real-time experience to experience the marine world, underwater zoo. So let's start the activity today. Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
What is this?
Underwater zoo.
Very good. This is your underwater zoo. So what all marine animals you have in this zoo, baby? See, what is this? Octopus. And what is this? Show. Where is the seahorse? What is this? What is this? Clownfish. Very good. This here. And what is this, baby? This is a dolphin. Yes. Can you count all the marine animals here we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 varieties of fishes you have here. Wow, super. Come on, Nakshama. What are these? Marine animals. Very good. What is this? 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 Very good. So these are all marine animals. Do you love marine animals? So today we are going to make some small fishes in the water. Okay, so let's do this coloring activity. You can do so many varieties of activities. For example, you can take them to a home picnic. You can do an underwater zoo like this, or you can also do some treasure hunt at home. You can do finding a color. So which color? The water is in which color, baby? This one. This is blue color. Blue color. Okay. Let's take some color. Yes.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Wow. Can you see this one? Blue color. So paint it. An ocean. Draw an ocean of water. Wow. What is this? Ocean. Water. Water is in which color? Ocean water is in which color? Which color? Very good. Wow, super. Now we have to make some fishes. What we have to make? Fish. Wait. Let me get some color. This one. We are going to make some small fishes. With thumb printing the fish. Wow. Put your finger. Yes. Yeah, wow. So cute. Very good. Wow, which color is this? Which is your favorite color? Yellow is your favorite color. What are we going to make? Yellow color octopus. What are we going to draw a paint now? Okay, wait. Wow.
Sorry.
Open. Octopus. Can you see my yellow octopus? Wow. What is this? Starfish. This is octopus. See, generally we spend so much of money taking them to different carnivals and showing them their live examples of a marine world, maybe picnic or maybe different varieties of animals. But at home itself you can do so much by using all the creativity like this, making a small tent kind of thing, taking them to in-house picnic and showing them different varieties of animals, zoo, wild animals, pet animals, everything, each and every single concept of a preschooler can be explained at home. When you give them lots and lots of activities, whenever they go and meet their family members or cousins, they will start discussing with what all activities they have been doing at home, which will also help in building confidence in speaking. Public speaking skills of kids also will increase in doing activities. For those kids who lack communication, activities are the best way to bring the best out of kids. They will start loving to learn only through activities. So I want all the parents to take some time to give different varieties of activities in their preschooling life, because after this preschooling age is over, they will definitely not sit with you to learn and do all these activities. So in this given time of first 5 years of their life, give the best possible so that the kid will really enjoy their childhood. I hope you have really enjoyed this video of us. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Nakshi baby, say thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
Take care. Bye.
Take care. Bye.